Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you could be adding the Mailchimp extension or integrate Mailchimp with your website. Now, first of all, there is several ways to do so. There is the integration way and the embed code way. Let's start with the integration way. First of all, search for your website provider. As an example, in case you had like your website made with WordPress, then simply type here WordPress and click on here and start the integration process by clicking on get started. Now make sure that, as I mentioned, that the cost is totally free from the Mailchimp part. The only cost that you will need to pay is from the WordPress part, such as buying the WordPress account, getting the domain, and buying the premium version so you could be using plugins such as Mailchimp, which is also a plugin in WordPress. So this is something that you could be using to link it with WordPress. You could also be linking it with Shopify. So if I want to right here and search for Shopify, here it is. The same thing goes for this. Shopify and Shopify Plus, they are both in here. So you could be using the one that you have. Also, Etsy, I think. I'm not sure if it was Etsy. Yeah, it's not here. It's not called Etsy. I think it's Square. Yeah, there is Squarespace, there is Square, there is other, I think Wix.com will be also included in here, and here it is. So here, the most popular website providers will be in here, so all you need to do is to go and add them into as integrations. The other way is by getting as embedded code. For example, if I created like a sign up form and I want to get it as embedded code, there it is, just as I have made it. The code is here, so I can copy it and paste it in my HTML code in my website. And with that, you could have the website or the design that you have made within Mailchimp added to your main website. So yeah, guys, this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you a lot in the next video.